How to sell a used crane truck. When it comes to selling a used crane truck, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to the application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the boom and the jib, the hydraulics, the capacity of the crane, the rigidity of the truck chassis, the steering, pedals, and controls, the steel cable, the transmission, the engine and its components, tires and tread, the mileage, and finally, the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision, and it will also make for an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on AgriMag. Visit agrimag.co.za, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.